Hi friends, welcome to Testing to PowerPoint. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about what all the methods are presented in Java. One second, I'll get for methods one, methods and I'll dig for Java. Okay. Now see methods, what all the requirements are presented. Why methods is required in a Java or any language, why the methods? See, simple way you can able to segregate. While you want to do some set of code, want to execute one time, then you want to go for second level. Correct? That moment you want to create one particular session to declaring this code you need to execute in that particular position. You want to consume that value into some other location to run that particular set of code. To do that we need to use for method creation. Correct? You can able to take like example, in a web application you want to log into the web application. Okay, the user you want to click for login button, then you need to enter into username password, then you need to go inside. Correct? To do that we required one method. Correct? To set that entire steps into one location, to creating one particular method, that particular method we need to access, and they based upon that it will execute the steps. Correct? Now example, see, public void login. And what will happen here, public is an access modifier. Okay, I'll explain you that what all the access modifiers are presented in Java in coming sessions. This is public is basically like uniquely we can able to access into entire uh, project. Okay, void is basically a return type. Void is basically a return type. You can able to see the return type of login. This method purpose, it is a return type for that's where void, and login is basically a method name, and we are creating for two braces and after that, right? And it is a starting position, and this one is ending position. Means once the started here the steps, and it will end up to this brace. Okay, and what are the code you want to write, you can able to write here. All the steps it will come here only. Okay, steps. And this method we can able to use for any location for reusing purpose or any calling purpose. We can able to do for logout. And here also what will happen, it will log out, and you can able to access this method into here, and you can able to provide for that to running that entire program. And if you try this one into here, it will throw some exception. If you mouse over into that, it will show quickly cannot make a static reference into the non-static method logout from the type of method. Means the main method it is declared as a static keyword. In this static keyword, if you declare, you have to declare the method also static, then only you can able to access into inside of this main method. Otherwise we need to create an object for this method, a class, and methods object equal to new methods, and then you have to give this object reference into here, and you can able to access login logout methods, and based upon that you can able to execute your method. And static is like, uh, without creating an object we can able to call direct class methods. So static is a class reference of that object also we can create, and we can able to access. While you create the object only we can able to access into this one. Otherwise static keyword, if you directly this one method name and directly methods we can able to call into that static place. This is a way we can able to create and we can able to call, and we can able to see simple example like sys out. We can able to mention, and this one login method. Okay, now I'm calling for logout place login. Okay, now I'm just on running. We can able to see this login method, it will call and it will display, because logout place we call as a method inside that, and that method, this logout method, we call into a static main method to running that method. This is a way we can able to create our method into a Java, and with example. I hope you understand this method concept, and if you understand that, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.